one thing that you should definitely do before you approach a client for your first freelance project. If you are a freelance digital marketer or a digital marketing agency owner, then don't miss this video. Stay till the end. I'm going to give you some very practical tips which you can implement right away today itself and increase the chance of getting your first freelance client. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also to hit the like button. It will definitely help me reach more people and help more people become a better freelancer. So welcome to today's show. I am Anthony and I'm your host of today's episode of Becoming Alpha Marketer. We are entering episode number 17. This is your go-to show to become a better marketer, save time and earn more money. Guys, let me ask you this question, okay? Just imagine, we all want clients. We all want clients who pay us regularly and, we can run our business from the comfort of our home, okay? So when we approach a client, what do? We reach out to them saying that, hey, you have a business. I have my digital marketing skill. I can help you out, okay? Give me a project. That's the typical approach, but there is a better way to, approach that as well. I will discuss about the outreach email and how you should reach out to your potential clients in a different video. But here's a big question. Let's assume you have successfully reached out to your potential client. The client has seen your mail or your outreach email. Now what do they do next? What is the question that will be there in their mind? Okay, the big question that every client has is this: can I trust you? How can I trust you? Right? The same question we also have. When you are going to buy a product, you also will have the same question. Can I trust the product? Can I trust the company? If you want to get a service from somebody, the first question is, can I trust this person? Right? This is a universal question that everybody has and your client will definitely have. Okay? So the question is, before you approach a client, have you built enough proof points to say that you can be trusted? Okay. Now again, immediately people will come and say, I am a fresher, I am a newbie, I don't have experience, I don't have a portfolio. Fair enough. You don't need all these things to get things started. What I'm going to show you today doesn't require any experience. It's just basic homework that you have to do. Build your online presence that will increase your trust factor. Okay, people can trust you and give you your first freelance project. Okay, so how do you do that? So now let's assume, again going back to the whole story, you approached a client saying that you can help the client. What do you think the client will do next? The next step that they will do is they will go to Google and do a search about your name. Okay, so my question to you is, do you have a web presence? Do you have an online presence? Okay, when people search for your name, do you have something popping up on the internet, on Google about you? Okay, again, I'm not asking that you should be an SEO expert to get something on Google for yourself. It is very easy to get some results about your name because nobody is going to bid for your name. You're not a celebrity yet. Nobody's going to bid for your name. Okay. So when somebody is searching for your name, what is that is getting listed on Google? That is very important, and you can take control over it. You can control what appears on Google when people search for your name. So the first thing that can easily pop up is basically your LinkedIn profile. Okay. So have you optimized your LinkedIn profile? Go and check it out right now. Okay, so check it out. See if you have a good profile picture, you have a good headline, you have clearly mentioned what services that you offer, you mentioned your educational qualifications. If you got some endorsement from your past colleagues, from your friends, mention that. So very simply, what it is your online resume. Have you optimized it well? If not, please go and optimize it, because when people are going to search for your name, your LinkedIn profile is highly likely to appear on Google. Okay. Now in some time or in few seconds, I will actually do a search about my name and I will show you what all results are appearing for my name, and you can decide for yourself whether they are building trust with the client. Okay. The second thing that is required is your website. Okay. If you are a freelancer, if you are a marketing agency, please invest in having your own website. Okay, that is your own real estate. Many people think website as an expense. It is not an expense, my dear friend. It is an investment. If you invest in your website, the client will see that you are serious. Okay. And you have full control over what content you want to produce, what content you want to publish on your website, and say that what services that you offer. Okay, 99.9% of freelancers don't have their own website. When you have your own website, then you automatically stand a chance. Okay, now if you are thinking that how do I create a website, don't worry, I have done a step-by-step video where I teach you how you should create a website. The link is given right in the description, so do check that out. Okay. I have even given the entire website template. You can just copy paste and create your own website. Okay. Third thing is Google My Business. This is an amazing service which is absolutely free, which you can make use of to increase your credibility and build trust. Just do a Google search of Google My Business, create an account, and you can enter your address, working hours, ratings. You can even put pictures of your office or wherever you work. Okay, take a picture and then put it there, and that becomes your Google My Business listing. Again, I will show you how it looks like when people search for your name. Okay, it's very easy to do, and it's absolutely free to do, but people don't do it. Okay, this is something that you can actually do today itself. YouTube video. If you have created a video on YouTube, okay, under your name, it is very highly likely to show up when somebody is searching for your name on Google. Okay, so if you are a freelance marketer, if you are into sales funnels, and if you are, let's assume that you have chosen the niche of fashion e-commerce. Okay, so if it is fashion e-commerce, then you can create content on what is happening in fashion e-commerce. What are the ads that you have seen and they are working well, how they can be improved, your opinion. Start creating content about your niche, and people are going to take notice about the content that you're going to create. Okay, so YouTube videos will be great if that is there. People can watch the video, your client can watch the video and connect with you, and this will also increase your chance of landing your first client. Okay, then Quora profile. Quora, another amazing platform, absolutely free. Go create your profile, and it's a question and answer website. You can actually go and answer questions regarding sales funnels, regarding marketing, right? And if you have a specific niche, for example, the fashion e-commerce, under fashion e-commerce, whatever questions are there, try to go and give your answers. Okay, that will strengthen your Quora profile, and that will also show up on Google when people search. Okay, so all these things are easy, simple things that you can do today itself, and that can create an online presence for you. Now let me show you what happens if I approach a client and the client ends up doing a search for me. So here is Google. If somebody is searching for me, what's happening? Okay, you can see the first result here is basically my LinkedIn profile. I have done the optimization required. I have made my profile look good. There's a picture, there's a banner about me and my services, my educational qualification, my experience, everything is added right here. Okay, so it's all loading. Yeah, you can see how the page looks like. Okay, it's optimized. So what shows next is the Facebook page. So I also have a Facebook page where I keep posting the content that I create, and it looks like this. So people can actually come and see my page, watch my content, and they can form an opinion about me. So that helps as well. Then what else? I have my own website. Here is my own website. My clients might go and check my website, how it looks, what is the content I have created, how it is positioning me as an expert. Okay. Then what else I have? I have some videos on YouTube. My clients can go and check those videos and watch my videos and connect with me in a much more personal level. Okay, then I also have an account on Quora. Okay, this is where I go and answer questions regarding digital marketing, freelancing, starting an agency, etc., etc. Okay, so people can, do a research about me online because I have created so many online assets. Okay, and this everybody can do. Okay, there's one more thing called as Google My Business, which is very powerful. I don't have it for myself because I work from home and I don't want to expose my home address everywhere. The simple example will be this. Let me check this. Neil Patel Digital. Okay, if I do a search, it should be here, maybe India. Neil Patel Digital India. Yeah, here you go. So can you see this section here? This is your Google My Business section. If you have an office, or if you're okay to share your address from where you're working, just mention your address and you will upload some photograph, your location. Everything can be shared here, and you can also add some reviews. Okay, ask your friends and colleagues who have worked with you to add some reviews. This will also form a very good credibility factor. Okay, so all these things you can implement and increase your trust factor, increase your chance of getting clients. So what's the moral of the story? It will be easy for clients to trust you if you have your own digital footprint. Okay, so the question is, have you created it today? If not, please go and create it and also leave them in the comment section. I will check them out. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are someone who wants to become a freelance digital marketer or start a digital marketing agency and you want to get coached by me, then I have a free training for you. It's called the 6-step formula to become a freelance digital marketing consultant. Be your own boss, work from home, and enjoy doing what you love. So this is an absolutely free training. All you have to do is just go to this link, alphamarketer.in/coaching, and you will have a free training which goes through all the aspects of becoming a freelance digital marketing consultant. And at the end of this training, I invite you to join me on a 90-day intensive coaching program with me and my team. Okay, and that coaching program is not for everybody. It's by application only. So you can fill up a form, apply for it, and if you qualify, then one of my team members will call you, will reach out to you, and then if you qualify, then we can work together. Okay, so I hope you will make use of this opportunity, and I hope that you like this video, and please do subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button. And I think that's it. I will see you in another video. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.